So I've been having some fun making some little paper spider mums, and I thought I'd show you guys how I did it. This is a smaller one and it's on a pencil with green around it, and then this is a larger one. You can see the difference. So I'm going to go ahead and do a small one right here with you, and I'm going to use a 3 by 12 inch piece of cardstock. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so they make these handy dandy scissors that will cut a whole bunch of strips for you at one time, but I don't have those, and so I'm just going to hand cut a bunch of little strips into my 3-inch paper, not all the way through. I'm leaving, I don't know, maybe a 1/2 inch on the bottom, and then each little strip, you know, really you can do them as wide or thin as you'd like. I don't know, mine are probably what, like 2 millimeters, something like that. Okay, so now basically I just have a 3-inch wide, 3 by 12 inch piece of cardstock, and it's got fringes on it, right? So now the cool thing is you can probably make these flowers with supplies you already have at home. Like this one, I used a skewer stick on that I already had, and all the others, I just used a pencil, you guys. Okay, so, and then I'm going to use a little piece of double stick tape, if I can find the end here. And then I'm just going to wrap it right around the end, and this is what my flower is going to stick to. If I don't do this, then the middle of the flower would be able to pull up and out. See, that's in there good. That's because it's glued on. Another thing I'll do, I use these tape runners for everything, but I'm going to go ahead and just run a line right down the middle there so that, again, the paper will stick to each other once I start rolling it, and I won't have a problem with that middle wanting to pull out. So then I'm just going to roll it right on that pencil. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to cover this up anyway. I'm going to try to keep it kind of lined up. Beautiful flower, right? What do you think so far? Okay, now I have this green florist tape, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap that around the bottom part of my flower and the rest of the pencil, kind of like as a stem. But again, I'm going to put a little double stick tape on that to get that to stick good. I'm going to wrap a few times around the top here to make sure it stays nice and secure. I'm going to do a lot where it goes into this transition from the flower base to the pencil. Make sure that I have that nice and thick there so it doesn't unravel. And then I'll just work my way down the pencil. Now, I haven't had the best of luck getting this bottom end to stick, even if I use glue. So I'm not sure, there must be a trick. If you know the trick, let me know. Okay, and then after doing that, yeah, I'll try a little bit of my, let's try a little bit of the runner tape. That doesn't really want to stick to that for some reason. I don't know. If you know the trick, let me know. Okay. And then after that, you simply just use your fingers and your thumb and work your way around the flower. And just kind of pull it out so that it'll curl it. You can curl it a lot or a little. Now this is definitely a time-consuming project, right? Cutting all these little strips and curling each one. Definitely time-consuming. But sometimes I just feel like I gotta do something creative, right? So this is a good thing that you can just sit and do while you're watching a show or talking to your husband. And look at that, isn't that fun? So, a time-consuming project, yes, absolutely. Easy, yes. Super easy to make these cute little Spider Mom paper flowers, and you can probably make them with stuff you already have around the house.